Hi, did you ever feel like confidence in something that other people they have it naturally, but you are somehow stuck waiting for it to happen magically? Well, I have a news for you. Confidence is not something that you were born with. It's something that you build. And the best part of it, you don't need to take a incredibly difficult, big steps in your life to build confidence. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 simple steps that can help you and others to boost your confidence one step at a time. First step, start a day with saying something positive to yourself. Look at the mirror just for a couple of minutes and tell yourself something kind, like, I can go through this day with confidence, or perhaps I welcome any opportunities that come to my way because I deserve it, or I am enough. At the beginning, it sounds very uncomfortable, just looking at yourself in a mirror and saying something nice to yourself. Why? Because we used to be our harshest critics, and it shows how much we internalize negatively. But with talking to yourself kindly, you actually help yourself to start a day with more confidence. And this internal kind conversation, positive conversation that you have with yourself, it helps you to boost your confidence and go through your day with more self compassion. Number two, write down something positive at the end of the day, every day. Like, I did my work on time, or something that you were procrastinating and you finished it. Tell yourself, I had a great achievement. We are most of the time focused on negative side of the day. Even that we had lots of achievement or even a small achievement, but at the end of the day, even the smallest negative things is what we are focused on. But when you write down something positive, you give this signal to your brain to create a different narrative, positive narrative about yourself. It's very important to focus on a small achievement that you have. In this way, you truly build the confidence that um, you had some achievement and you can celebrate that achievement every day. So write down something positive every day and create this habit to focus on a positive side of your day. Number three, practice confidence posture every day for even 30 seconds. Stand with shoulder back, chest open, chin slightly up, and breathe deeply for a few seconds. This sounds um, perhaps strange, but believe me, posture confidence not only give signal of truly confidence to yourself, but also give this signal to others as well. Number four, say something nice to someone every day, to a friend, coworker, or mm, anyone. When you say something positive to someone, um, just like, I love your ideas, or perhaps you handle this really well, you create and build up effect of a positive environment. This positive talk to someone else not only reflect back on you, but create an environment of support. Something brave. Do something brave a day. Commit to some act of courage, even a small, like ask a question from someone that you always wanted to ask, but you hesitated always. Talk to a neighbor that you never talked to, or go to a coffee shop all by yourself, take a coffee, read your book, something that we women usually don't do. And, or perhaps say no to someone that you, to something that you were asked and you didn't want to do. And say to you yes to yourself to do something that you always wanted to do and you never had the time to do. Act of courage and bravery doesn't mean that it should be dramatic and big. Even a small act of courage build a real sustainable confidence on you. Building confidence is all about pushing yourself every day, a little bit out of your comfort zone. Act of confidence is just like a building a muscle, and it doesn't have to happen overnight. You can step by step add one or two of these habits every day to your daily life, and you will see that the impact will be huge. If you like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, and remember, you can do much more than what you think, and you're capable of building a confidence much more than what you truly believe. Until next time, goodbye.